I'm Rebecca Cole for Howdini, and we're going to make an absolutely gorgeous, elegant table arrangement. The first thing we want to do is think of the candles, because I don't think there's anything that says elegance more than candles. And of all the different kinds of candles we can have in the world, probably the most elegant is a taper candle, which is this. So we have to find some beautiful candlesticks. I like a mix and match. These absolutely gorgeous Michael Aram candlesticks, I think, are terrific. I do like it when they come in different heights, because it's nice to play with heights both in the taper candle as well as in the candlesticks. Some of the fancier candle makers, like Creative Candles, will come with a little beeswax that's malleable and sticky. And I need to use this for 2 candles, so I'm going to pull it off, just cut it off, and then stick it into the base. And that's going to form a real sticky, much tighter base that I can now put that candle in and really push it down, and that's not going anywhere. So now let's set the table. We have a big enough table here to comfortably seat 6. These are also Michael Aram's gorgeous dinner plates. I like to, even if you're going to serve elsewhere and bring a plate in, you really need to have the plate at your setting. A plate that has absolute beautiful interest, like this gorgeous leaf. This is going to be our salad plate. Now, with an elegant place setting, we're going to be pretty conscious of how the leaf is set up. It's going to be you know, all the stems are facing the same way. A more casual arrangement, I think it would be better to mix and match it. For an elegant place setting, every course should have its own silver piece. Teaspoons, you know, dessert forks, salad forks. You don't want to either reuse or be handed it. So that's part of what elegant place setting is to have it all set up right now. And basically, the easiest way you can remember doing it is that you want to put things in the order of how you're going to use them. So first, the napkin always goes on the left side, unless you put it on the plate or in some other way. I think this is a very sort of elegant, formal way to do it. The fold of the napkin will go on the outside, so the edges go in. And also the edge goes at the bottom, whereas the fold goes on the top. They're all set on the left. Now we're going to put the forks. You start on the outside with the first fork that you would be using, which would be your salad fork. Because we have our salad plate there. Then next after that will be the dinner fork. On the right side is the knife, and that the edge always faces in toward the plate. And then you would have your soup spoon just outside of that. And if you are going to serve something else with the spoon, you might have a teaspoon that might be outside that. Dessert spoon. And that spoon, it's nice to actually put that at the top because then it's going to be out of the way. Your dessert usually is going to come last. I'm going to give each guest 3 different glassware. One is going to be for wine. Nice big beautiful wine glass. I think it's very elegant. Wine's very popular now. There's red and white wine glasses. You might have room on your table to put both kinds of glasses on. I don't, and so I'm going to put a big, beautiful red wine glass. That goes just above the knife. Just before that is a champagne glass in front, sort of in line with the spoon, a little bit to the right of the spoon. So that would be the first thing you would grab. And then a water glass, of which I don't have all water glasses that are the same. I think that that can be very elegant and cool. But anyway, a nice big healthy water glass is going to go just to the right of the champagne up. Above. So you've made a little triangle here: champagne, water, wine. And we're going to do that at each setting. And I don't think there's anything more elegant than a beautiful little, crystal votive holder. There you go. An elegant dinner party ready to go. I'm Rebecca Cole for Howdini.